Ashley, you are chasing a story about something that many millennials may not actually know what it is. What do you got?
The town of Mercerville, New Jersey is alive with the sound of typewriters. Karl's Business Machines is one of the coolest places I've seen in a while. They have typewriters of all colors, sizes, representing all different decades. It's a storybook about America's history. They even have the first ever IBM typewriter. Oh my God. It's like ancient. I need like a I'm like in love right now. This is like an untold story in and of itself. Now, what may be considered old school is actually new school. This business is booming and thriving. Yeah, so if you thought typewriters were dinosaurs, think twice.
They're still around. A lot of offices use them for different purposes. So you'll still find them in offices. The IBM Selectrics, the IBM Wheelwriters are really big. The younger kids are bringing them in, believe it or not.
I messed up.
You gotta hit it a little harder.
I gotta hit it harder?
Yes.
That's like one. Oh my God. Uh-oh, I don't want to mess it up.
No, you're not gonna mess it up.
Okay. Now the surprise, these vintage typewriters in his shop are often on the big screen.
Men in Black 3 was our first one. We thought it was somewhat of a prank call because somebody called up and said, do you have IBM Selectric 1 typewriters? And we said, yeah. We thought maybe they wanted to buy one or two. And a while later they called back and they wanted 20 of them, and we're like.
Most recently, their machines were featured in the Oscar-nominated film Hidden Figures.
This typewriter and these along here are the ones that were rented for Hidden Figures.
So I tapped into my inner Hollywood and pretended to play Katherine Johnson, who was the woman behind the map that got the first man into space from America, played by Taraji P. Henson. I've been up for a challenge before, and I'm gonna prove myself worthy this time. I am going to send the first man to the moon. That is the distance from Earth to Venus. Nailed it, killed it, about to get an Oscar. Says you. I'll let everyone be the judge. I knew you would say that, but it's all right.
Oh, no,
That's expected.
No,
expected.
You were fabulous. No. Your judgment of yourself is fantastic.
And they even gave me the honor of putting my autograph on one of their vintage typewriters.
I don't know how their business is thriving. Like, that's amazing to me.
You know what?
I haven't seen a typewriter anywhere.
Anything old, hipsters will make cool again.
Polaroid cameras, typewriters, it seems silly to me.
There's a reason why it's nostalgic and it's cool. It's because it's 100% useless. It can't actually save files. If you're writing on there, it won't save it.
It puts you in thought with your mind. You don't have someone auto-correcting you or giving you a word that you didn't mean to use. So a lot of authors still use typewriters.
There's another tool that writers could use before. It's called pen and paper. Also does the trick.
She had no idea. All right, thanks, Ashley.
Way to go, typewriters.